I'm Kavita Rao, and welcome to Dance FitSugar. I have Mina.
Hi.
And Frank.
What's up?
We have a 10-minute heart-pumping, heart-stopping Bollywood fusion routine for you guys, so get ready to dance and turn that volume up. Hey. All right, dancers, we are going to learn a whole routine in this 10 minutes, but we are gonna break it down move by move for you, so you're gonna feel really confident and ready by the end. We're gonna start with just an opening, closing of our dances. So out, in, and out, and in. I'm going super slow for you guys. Out, and in, and out, and in. You're gonna use that arm to brush it open, and close. Other hand is just on your hip. Your body is leaning forward. I think we can take it a little faster, y'all. It's gonna go out, in, out, in. A little chest pop there. Other side. Whole body is working. Your thighs should feel this. Now let's break it down a little. Go out, in, other side, out, in. One more time like that, 2 and 2. Hup, hup, hey, hup. Now we're gonna travel this step. It's gonna go out, in, out, hop, and push, push. Good, you're really moving. You're pushing that leg open. Good, we're gonna add an arm in a second. Here it goes, going out, out. Little curl, and curl, 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 curl. Now we're gonna play it together. It's gonna go out, 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 and out. And then curl, 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 curl. Again, one more time, slow. Out, out. Now you guys, we're gonna take this all faster. Are you with me? Are you guys with me?
Yeah, we are.
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, hey. Hup. Hey, little body roll there. Out. Hup. Hup. Good. Take those arms out. Push. We're gonna go twist and twist. Fingers together. Now we're gonna add a dip. Hold. Dip. Take it a little faster. And dip, dip. Hey, hey. Hup, hup. Ooh. Really use those hips. Twist those heels. Good, we're gonna take it down and up. It's gonna go down, 2. Get into those legs, y'all.
Feel the burn.
Feel the burn, y'all. Bollywood burn. Hey, 2, 3, 4. Now take it slow. Hip, 2, 3, 4. Take it down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Hip, 2, 3, 4, and hold right there, you guys. All right, let's put that whole thing together with music. We're gonna go slow, then we're gonna pick that tempo up. 5, 6, here we go. Out, nice and slow. So you really get a chance to use those legs. Hup, hup. Twist those arms. Hup, 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 hup. Take it down, 2. How low can y'all go? Hey. Let's take it tempo, y'all. Up, up, up. Push. Hup, hup. Good, you guys, one more time. Now we're gonna introduce a new move for you. It's a little ball change. Step, tap, step. Switch to the legs. Step, hop. Let's go a little faster. Ball change. Nod, nod, ball change. Nod, nod, ball change. Head, head has a little just attitude. Now take those arms across. Nod, nod, shoop. Really stick it. Ba-da. Good, now we're gonna introduce a new move. It's a hip. You gotta have to throw a hip in there, some Bollywood. Right. You can add your own upper body, your own sass, other side. A little hair flip. As long as that hip is nice and juicy. Yes, Mina.
Work it.
Now put it with the ball change. Ball change. Hip, hip, ball change. Hip, hip, ball change. Hey. Give me a few more. Hey. This is an ab workout.
Yes. Woo.
New move here, dancers. We're doing a little punch. By punch, I mean it's like someone is punching you in the gut. Everything is contracting in. Those arms are tucked behind you. Other side. Really picking that knee up. You can get it all the way up to your belly button. You're just gonna feel it more. Now we're gonna put this move with ball change. It's gonna go like this. Ball change. Push, push, ball change. Hup, hup. Good, let's stay here for a moment so you feel really good about it. Hup, hup, and cross. Push, push. Hey. How do we put it together from the top, y'all? Nice and slow. It's gonna go out, 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 out. Roll. Now arms in front. 1, 2, down, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Our ball changes with our hips. We go ball change. Hop, hop, ball change. Hop, hop, ball change. Hey, hey. One more time, ball change. Hey, hey. Ball change. Hey, hey. One more time from the top. Out, out, nice and slow. Twist it. 1, 2, down. Hold it here and take it down. 6, 7, 8, hold. We're gonna just wait for that music to change. We're gonna go straight into those ball changes, but it's a little faster. You guys ready to hit those? Yeah, just ready. Yeah. 5, straight to the ball changes. Ball change. Hey, hey, ball change. Hop, hop, ball change. Hop, hop, ball change. One more time, ball change. Hip, hip, ball change. I'm gonna add a new move after this, y'all. You guys ready? It goes around the world. Nice and slow, a little over the shoulder action, around the world. Woo, let's do those 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. A lasso, get low. Woo. Hup. 2 more, y'all. Get low. Good. New move is gonna go push, push, push. Other side, push, push. Walk it forward. Y'all chill. Hey. We're gonna do this pushes back. Ready? 5, 6, push it back. 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4, walk it forward. 2, 3, 4, party it out. Now we're gonna put those around the worlds and pushes together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, push, push on the right side. Push, again around. Push, push, around. Now last move here, a body roll, 3, 4, body roll. Hey, you do a little step, step with the feet. Hup. The arms go over the head, down the body. A little shampoo moment.
Yes.
Hup. Give me 2 more. Hup. Good, you guys. We're gonna try to put this together all the way from the top. You guys with me?
Yes. Let's do it.
You guys know when we start with the legs? Ready? Here we go. Out. Out. Hup. Hup. Round. Take those arms front. Hup. Down, 2, 3, one more time. Hup. Ball change. Hey, hey, ball change. Big punch, punch. One more time, ball change. Hup, hup, ball change. Hup, hup, ball change. Around the world, friends. Ready? Around 2, push and push. Roll, roll. Around 2, push and push. A whoop. Again, around 2, tap, 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 whoop. Ha, around 2. From the top, my friends, here we go. Out, out. Hey, really use that level. Hey, hey. Take it, bounce. Take it down, low, 2. Again.
Let's go.
Ball change and hips, y'all. Ball change. Hey, whoop. Ball change, push. One more time, ball change. We're gonna end with those around the world. You guys are almost home free. Last thing, whoop, ta, 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 whoop. Hey, body roll, shoot. You guys, that is it. You have a whole routine. Take it to the club, take it to the wedding. You know what to do. Thank you, Mina. Thank you, Frank. We will see you guys on the next Dance Fit Sugar. Hey, party time.